The crypto market is full Uptober mode, and the Bitcoin is soaring to new all-time high, which is over $126,000 levels. And the rally is fueled by the strong institutional inflows, a weaker US dollar, and growing confidence across altcoins, signaling a robust risk-on sentiment across the digital assets format. And particularly, the US government shutdown has injected uncertainty into the traditional markets, driving investors towards the alternative assets such as the crypto. That's what the analysts believe. And at the same time, expectations of Federal Reserve rate cuts have weighed on the US dollar, making dollar-denominated assets such as the Bitcoin more attractive to the global investors. And as demand continues to accelerate, US-listed Bitcoin ETFs witnessed a $1 billion in inflows this week alone, a clear vote of confidence from the traditional finance. This surge has strengthened market liquidity and which is sustained buying pressure, coupled with the sustained buying pressure, reinforcing Bitcoin's leadership in the ongoing bull phase. Altcoins too joined the rally, wherein the Ethereum rebounded to $4,700 level, its highest in the 3 weeks, supported by the growth in its layer 2 ecosystem and a strong fundamentals. Crypto exchange Binance BNB broke past the $1,200 level for the record highs, driven by the on-chain activity and a recent token burn mechanism. So Solana Sol jumped over $200 as the momentum builds in the DeFi and the gaming projects, with investors eyeing its upcoming Alpenglow consensus upgrade. Among other major movers in the altcoins were the Doge, Link, MNT, ARB, and Aster, which gained between 5 to 8%, pushing total market cap 1.5% higher to $4.28 trillion. So rising stars, which is in the DeFi and the layer 2s that dominated the token outperformance in today's trade, were the Start Link, which is the STRK token, soared 24% to $0.18 after enabling trustless BTC staking, a move unlocking over $2 trillion in the dormant Bitcoin liquidity for the DeFi. Plasma's XPL gained 20% to $1.06 as the Chainlink integration for the cross-chain price feeds, and that's what the driving the optimism in this counter as well. Swap's Cake token spiked 16% to $4, boosted by its Cake.pad launch and a 146% surge in the volume to $669 million. Bettensource Tau advanced 10% to trade near $351 ahead of its December 11th halving, tightening supply. On October 6th, the inflows continued at a record pace in the ETFs when the spot Bitcoin ETF witnessed $1.19 billion. Ethereum ETFs witnessed an inflow of $176.6 million, and the staked Solana ETFs witnessed $2.7 million in the net inflows. And these flows underline the institutional base and reinforces the strong institutional base and reinforce the narrative of the crypto as both growth and the hedge asset classes move forward, and that's what driving the optimism in the entire crypto market as well. Outlook, strong momentum and volatility which has continued as the risk crypto markets are thriving amid macro uncertain times, and with record ETF inflows tight on exchange Bitcoin supplies and safe haven demands which is rising, and the sentiment too remains bullish from here on. However, the traders are watching closely for the October's 29th FOMC meeting, where the dovish signals could extend the rally, while any policy surprise may trigger short-term volatility. That's all there is in this Coin Monitor. Keep watching 3.TV. Thank you.